Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much guys for always coming back, and if you are new here, you are highly welcome. Today I am taking you guys to see how the subway looks like in China. Yeah guys, so as you can see, I am already at the train station. Most of the time you need to wait for some minutes before the train arrived. Unfortunately, the train arrived when it was already full guys, so we had to stand. As you all know, China is one of the most populated country in the world, so most of the time the train station is always full guys. So like today we didn't have a place to sit. As you can see, many people were standing up because there were no seat. Although the virus has greatly reduced in China, everybody is wearing a face mask. Yes guys, you can't enter the train station without a mask. There are certain places in China that you can't enter without a mask. For example, the supermarket or even the bus. So I think it's very important because the virus is very contagious guys. As you can see, everywhere is clean guys. Yeah, this is one thing I love about China. The street or even the bus station, everywhere is kept clean. In the train station we use card. Yeah guys, you don't need to have money in your hand, you just use your card to enter and to go out. It is winter here in China, so we decided to pass and buy some winter coats. There are a lot of beautiful winter coats and jacket, guys. A lot of them. It was so difficult to make a choice. 'There were a lot of nice coat, guys, but I finally choose this one. This coat is nice, guys. Everything is on point. Look at the color, the material, the texture, everything. I like it very much. I was actually enjoying it, guys. I didn't want to remove it. You know, when you wear something and it fits very well and you feel good, yeah, guys. Along the road we saw this very nice decorated place, so we decided to go and see what was happening there. As you can see, guys, the place was well decorated. I think Chinese people know how to make something look beautiful. Yeah, guys, they know how to decorate a place. So we realized that it was a promotion. Yeah, this is China Gold. That's the name of the shop. It was a promotion on this day, and so they were advertising all their products. Guys, all of them gathered to convince us to buy. Yeah, Chinese people are very convincing when it comes to business. Yeah, guys, as you can see, more than 3 of them gathered. They're like telling us the advantages of the product and trying to convince us to buy, that today is the last day, the promotion day, and that the next day it will be more expensive. Chinese people know how to do business, guys. They know how to convince you to buy something from them. Here, all of them gathered around and convincing us to buy. Yeah, guys, Chinese people are good when it comes to business. They can't just leave you to go like that. You have to buy something. Guys, Chinese people knows how to attract customers. You see, they were doing this for free. A lot of companies in China offer services like this for free. They can do anything to keep customers. Can you imagine that they are offering these services for free? Yeah guys, a lot of big companies in China do this to keep customers. Even when you buy something online guys, they must send you a free gift. Yeah guys, it's very common here in China. I think Chinese people didn't know how to attract and keep customers. Thank you for clicking this video. See you in the next video. Thank you for clicking this video. See you in the next video.